Video I will show you the airdrop about mirror stacking protocol. Okay, so first thing first, we will check their website as well as properly will participate exactly this airdrop testnet. Okay, so now therefore you need to come into my telegram. How do you come? The process is check out my comment box of this video and you will get immediately a link, that is telegram link. Click on there and welcome in the my telegram. Okay, come into here and evoke this image. You will notice that one text fields I posted included link certain type of, so this type of, so you will see that link. Evoke this image. So first, the testnet I written by the testnet of mirror staking protocol is launched now. So join link you need to have as well. Initiate wallet, claim test Bitcoin from this link, as well as claim test Ethereum Arbitrum Supplier from here, and Unicet wallet switch to testnet mode and complete here. All thing I will show you visually, because visually you will understand so well. I just write and it will not be make sense you. So some people can do that, but I will show you visually in the mobile screen. So notice my mobile screen and join properly. So first open your link, or you can copy that link and into paste into your browser. It's up to you. So now I wanna go inside of this website and click on mirror now, and after that you will get this interface. So now maybe you are seeing pop-up connect wallet right and by, click on that thing and you need to connect your first Twitter. Okay, click on authorize apps and it will loading now slightly, and I would say it is stacking airdrop testnet, so you will get something from here. Further update I will know you, but now you need to participate here properly. So for participate, something needed like accept your, like approve their authorization into Twitter, connect wallet, this type of thing. I will connect MetaMask is the apps, that is EVM. Every crypto lover has this MetaMask apps. EVM wallet, without EVM wallet there is no crypto lover. So loading somehow, and while you created MetaMask at that time, you put in a password. Put that password exactly in the box, tap on tab button, come into here and your thing is connected. So now what should you do? Deposit, apply for BTC. So before doing that, I will suggest that come into my telegram and download Unisat wallet if you haven't, but I have inside of that extension. And now I will show you claim test Bitcoin that I haven't, but if you haven't Unisat wallet, click on there and add to your Chrome extension. So number 2, claim test Bitcoin from faucet. So click on there, open, and whatever browser you wanna go, and here you need Unisat wallet. So I'm taking my Unisat wallet from my exactly which browser I'm using to joining in this airdrop. So Unisat wallet testnet mode I need. So put your password while you set it up. Everyone can set up. So I have some BTC testnet activated token. So copy this link and come into here not here. Come into this page and paste your Unisat wallet captcha, fill up captcha, traffic light, every traffic light section fill up and click on next. Motorcycle, you will can do that, nothing complicated. Crosswalks and bam, motorcycle, traffic light. So you will get, but I am taking this already, therefore it is not arrived. So you will get if you are first time do that. So now before doing that, come into here, climb test Ethereum Arbitrum Sopila. Okay, if you have not this token, come into here, go to browser, and this browser being into inside of their website. So now here is, you need to paste your, you need to log in first of all, and I will suggest you doing desktop mode here and put your address here. If it is not work, do login, okay, or use another browser, that will be better. Do refresh slightly. Now try and log in Arbitrum Sopila. So now if I try now, it is not working. So if it's not if it's not work, come back exactly this website, and maybe I have. So let me check my Arbitrum Sopila testnet faucet. If I have, I will try by that. Okay, I have already, maybe I did this thing, but I will show you how do you do that. Okay, so yeah, I get this thing. So try this way that I am prevented, and after getting those faucet from the separate faucet website that I shared in my Telegram post, and after doing that, come into here, deposit, apply for BTC address, fill up every separate box and confirm. Apply, confirming, connect in confessed, apply for BTC. So yep, come into here, Arbitrum Sopila, exactly that is. So click on there, connect in confused. Okay, so maybe I will show you, no problem. This browser I used before doing that I'm doing now. So I'll wait until I'm showing you. So not easy to do, but if you do that properly, something they will give you a reward. It could be kind of like Aptos, Sui, this type of product, like project. And this project was difficult to do, that already finished, those projects are passed away. That project was hard to do, but they provide people the distribution a lot of token. So mirror now, click on there. So here is maybe I already connected exactly one thing, like one account I'm using, but using separate, browser. It's my misleading, like while I joined in this offer at that time, this browser wasn't work. So therefore I use separate wallet. So now I'm connecting my Twitter, and it's pretty much loading, but because of I'm in right now inside of my room, but however it will be work until that. Wait, stay with me. So this is bring into exactly their website. Just Twitter need to be connect, and after Twitter connect, you should have MetaMask and do MetaMask connect. So this part that I'm doing now, I did before that, like twice a time I'm connecting this thing. So therefore video is being so long. So anyways, now click on connect wallet, MetaMask, and that will bring it to inside of the in your EVM wallet, that is extension added inside of your browser. Put your password that you created while this password they wanted to you, and you put that password here. So connect, confirm, connect, connecting, and that exactly website as we are working. So it will take some time because of I'm using mobile phone as well as internet, nothing Wi-Fi PC here, therefore it's doing like this. So connect wallet again, it is that didn't work. Swiss account, okay, Swiss, however it will be work. Arbitum Sopila. So I will definitely suggest you never feel exhausted while you join any airdrop, because their website is new, their you know their everything protocol is new, their apps is new, like they just give you airdrop because of checking their website, nothing else. Okay, so everything after joining here, everything you need to do, like getting faucet, I've already put my link in Telegram. So install your Unisat wallet inside of your Chrome extension, and climb your test Bitcoin faucet and climb test Ethereum Arbitrum Sopila that I showed you already. So link is provided already inside of Telegram. Come here and join in this airdrop. Okay, so now after getting faucet, click on apply for BTC address, fill out every separate box, confirm, apply, confirming. So connect in confused. Okay, anyways, I connected to Twitter, therefore maybe it's happening. So now if I click on this thing, okay, so maybe I should disconnect my Twitter, or what is happening. Please make sure to send BTC with 2 hours to request the BTC address. Don't transfer BTC from exchange. Transfer the designated amount of BTC in one transactions. Don't make multiple transactions. Connect in confused. Okay, so if I try VPN, what happened? Let me see. So yep, now let me try. Okay, it is not working. What should I do? So I'm showing you another wallet. So if you noticed this same problem, like after connecting these apps, if you notice that inconfirm used problem, I will suggest you it is server problem. So later I will suggest you to try this thing. I'm showing you how do you do that next further. So wait here a few minutes. Let me put my password here. Okay, my phone is hanging out. So now it will bring into that website. So let me try last chance to try. Okay, and after that I will quite decide to because I already did, but it is doing problem recently. So now it is connected. So let me try now. Hello. So confirm, apply. If you face this problem, I will suggest to try after few hour, after a while, and it will be done. So after apply for BTC, they provide you an BTC address, and you need to copy that address and come into your Unisat wallet. You need to come into your Unisat wallet. Here you need to send them 0.00 BTC. Okay, so like this way, if you like send and their address put here, like, and amount is something like 0.001 and send them. Okay, in a testnet token you have like faucet, you will get like, here you go and doing testnet, and you will get some token here. So let me try. So now I'm trying to do that now. So same problem if you face, try later after a while, and it will be work. And after send that BTC, come into redeem option, paste your BTC address, you will get from Unisat wallet, from this wallet, and I'm showing you will get from this wallet your address. So copy this address and come into here, and you will get your redeem option here. Okay, like here we will get your redeem option, put your link here and approve MBTC. After doing that, it will be done. So see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.